Well, yes, of course, the policy awaited now from the RBI, and what most economists on the street are expecting is a 50 basis point rate hike. Now, rates will go up, the repo rate will go up from 5.4% to 5.9%. Just 4 months to 5 months back, that repo rate was at 4%, so a solid 1.9% uptick in that repo rate. That's what the RBI seems to be controlling. So that's on, of course, one front. Now, the RBI on its position, on its stance, has said that it's still in withdrawal of accommodation mode. That is about to change to neutral. That's what economists also believe. Of course, when does it change to neutral? Some commentary around that awaited from the RBI itself. Their opinions awaited. Two fronts that the RBI tends to tackle in terms of the monetary policy. One is, of course, inflation, and one is growth. Inflation has bounced back up to that 7% mark, so definitely concerns on inflation and how the RBI sees it going forward will be on the anvil. The other piece is, of course, the growth side. Growth has come in fact, lower in Q1 than most economists expected. So on that front as well, the RBI's commentary awaited. Of course, on some of the other high frequency indicators, we're seeing GST collections at above 1.4 lakh crore for a 6th consecutive month in August. And we're also seeing PMI manufacturing and services showing good growth and uptake. We're seeing IIP numbers also come in quite well. So across the board, we're seeing good numbers, but that does not seem to be translating to the GDP growth that most economists were penciling in. So some commentary around that, of course, awaited. The last piece of the puzzle is, of course, the liquidity. The banking system liquidity has been shrinking quite sharply over the last few months, and in fact, in August, the RBI governor did mention that the system liquidity is to be kept in check. He is going to keep his eye out on that front, and of course now the system liquidity has turned negative, so some commentary around that is awaited. Of course, currency is the other piece that the RBI will also try to address tomorrow, but all eyes, of course, on that commentary from Shaktikanta Das awaited.